Welcome to 11 Tanera Crescent, a rare opportunity to own a custom-built home in one of North St. Catharines' most desirable neighborhoods. Offered for sale for the very first time, this cherished home has had just one owner and is now available as part of an estate sale. It offers nearly 2,000 square feet of above-ground living space. Inside, you'll find 3 generously sized bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a spacious living room, and a formal dining room. The house also has 2 separate family rooms. The oversized double garage provides plenty of room for vehicles, storage, and hobbies. And the 60 by 100 foot lot offers a wonderful outdoor space for gardening, entertaining, or simply enjoying the privacy of your own backyard. Whether you're looking to move into a well-built home with timeless appeal or update it to reflect your own style, this home presents an exceptional opportunity. Located in sought-after North St. Catharines, you'll enjoy a welcoming community, convenient amenities, excellent schools, parks, and easy access to everything the Niagara Region has to offer. This is more than just a house. It's a home that has been lovingly cared for decades by one family. Come experience the possibilities at 11 Tanera Crescent. Your next chapter may begin right here.